Combating dry eye syndrome. Simple tips for healthier eyes. Do your eyes feel scratchy, dry, or irritated? Does staring at your screen make things worse? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with dry eyes daily, but the good news is, relief is closer than you think. In today's episode of Healthy Secrets, I'll share simple, science-backed tips to combat dry eye syndrome and keep your eyes feeling refreshed. Let's dive in. To start, let's understand how our eyes stay moist. Your tear film is made up of 3 layers: a lipid layer to prevent evaporation, an aqueous layer for hydration, and a mucin layer to spread the tears evenly. If any of these layers fall out of balance, you'll feel it. First up is the 20-20-20 rule. When you're glued to a screen, your blink rate drops, causing your eyes to dry out. So every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. It's a game changer for eye strain and dryness. Pro tip: set a timer on your phone to remind you. Speaking of blinking, are you doing it enough? Blinking spreads fresh tears across your eyes and stimulates your tear glands. Try this quick exercise. Close your eyes tightly, open them wide, and repeat for 30 seconds a few times a day. You'll feel the difference. Next, let's talk about warm compresses. Heat helps unclog your meibomian glands, which secrete the oils your eyes need. Just a few minutes a day can work wonders. Follow it up with a gentle eyelid cleanse using baby shampoo to remove debris and support healthy gland function. Remember, don't rub too hard. Gentle is key. What you eat matters. Healthy fats like omega-3s from salmon and flax seeds nourish your tear glands, while drinking plenty of water supports overall hydration. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. They can trigger inflammation, which worsens dry eyes. Dry air is an eye's worst enemy. If you live in a cold or dry climate, use a humidifier at home. And here's a tip: keep air vents in your car or office pointed away from your face. Your eyes will thank you. Avoid direct exposure to cold winds or air conditioning. Before you sleep, try a thicker, preservative-free eye gel to keep your eyes hydrated overnight. Yes, it'll make your vision blurry temporarily, but it's worth it. Trust me. Finally, give your eyes some love with a gentle massage. Lightly tap around the eye area to boost circulation and stimulate your glands. It's relaxing and incredibly effective. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be on your way to happier, healthier eyes. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it and drop your own dry eye remedies in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of those beautiful eyes.